त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव जे उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय करे वेदो स्तुति उच्चरे जेनारोम सुछिद्रमा अणुसमा ब्रह्मांड कोटि फरे माया काळ रवि शशि सुरगणो आज्ञान लोपे क्षण एवा अक्षरधामना अधिपति श्री स्वामी नारायण जनि अमृतवाणी तो वही रही साक्षात् महिमा रूपे जनि ब्राह्मी स्थिति अहोलिन करे सुभव्य अक्षर पदे शरणागत निज अल्प जीव सहुना श्रेयार्थ तत्पर रहे काका स्नेहल सिंधु दिव्य विभुने हयो तो वंदन करे सजानंद स्वामी महाराजनी जय सर्वे गुणातीत स्वरूपोनी जय 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 प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप काकाजी महाराज पप्पाजी महाराज स्नेहल सिंधु दिव्य बंधु शताब्दी पर्व महोत्सवनी जय 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 प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप हरिप्रसाद स्वामी महाराज आत्मीय युवा महोत्सवनी जय 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 प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप जसभाई साहेब संत आज्ञा दर्शन पर्व महोत्सवनी जय 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 सदगुरुदेव की जय 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 आज के आनंद की जय 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 At least everybody enjoyed doing the circling here. Today, on this memorial day of Kakaji's passing away in 1986 in Bombay, we have a shrine place in Mogri, Vidyanagar area, and we go there and we do the pradikshana with the prayers. So we have made a kind of a replication or filling to do that on this day today here. આજે સરસ બધાએ થોડી પ્રદક્ષિણાઓ કરી અને ત્યાં વિદ્યાનગરમાં મોગરીમાં કાકાજીના સમાધિ સ્થાને કરીએ એવો આપણને ભાવ થયો તો કાકાજીની એક સ્મૃતિ થઈ ગઈ. 1986ની અંદર જાન્યુઆરીની અંદર હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામીજીના લીડરશિપ અંડર ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામીની દ્વિશતાબ્દીનો મહોત્સવ ઉજવાયો હતો. There was a celebration in 1986 January. There was a big celebration of bicentenary of Gunatitanand Swami. And after that, Kakaji's 3rd February function was celebrated in Vidyanagar on 26th of January. Some of you may have seen those video clips. Our Sujesh Bhai's father, Kirti Bhai, took that, and it is a memorial thing, you know. He also did that in 1981 when we had Murti Pratishtha for Waukegan Mandir, and Kirti Bhai also took that video also, you know. So in 86 we went there. Chandrakant Bhai also, our Waukegan Chandrakant Bhai, he was there with us and so many others, and we did yagna and all that. You saw that also, you know, in this video clips. And then we came back, and about a month later Kakaji passed away. He was very healthy, and it was just unbelievable, you know, that happened. But that was his master plan. So we all respect that and we all accept that, 7મી માર્ચ 1986માં કાકાજીએ જ્યારે દેહ મૂક્યો ત્યારે કાકાજીની તબિયત ઘણી સારી હતી અને એમની તબિયત જ્યારે બગડી તારદેવમાં ત્યારે બધા ભાઈઓએ કહ્યું કે તમને હોસ્પિટલમાં લઈ જઈએ તો કાકાજી કહે જરૂર નથી, જવું નથી. પણ કોઈ હરિભક્તે એવું કહ્યું કે ભાટિયા હોસ્પિટલમાં યોગીજી મહારાજ જે માળ ઉપર હતા એના નીચેના માળે બરોબર એ જ રૂમ નીચે આપણને રૂમ મળે છે. તો કાકાજી તૈયાર થઈ ગયા અને કાકાજી એ રૂમની અંદર he left his body. It is a very surprise. We were talking yesterday in our Bhayo Sabha, that Yogiji Maharaj did so much for Gondal Mandir. Gondal Mandir was his dear temple out of 6 temples, 5 temples Shastriji Maharaj has built, And if there is any donation coming, he would say that send it to Gondal. Anybody says any seva, send it to Gondal. So people were sometimes taking Manush Bhav, in Yogiji Maharaj, that Yogiji Maharaj being sadhu also has attachment with Gondal. But it was a shrine place of Gunatitanand Swami. It is, So he was at the last days sick in Gondal. But he moved from Gondal to Bombay and he passed away in Bhatia Hospital in Bombay. So the shrine place for Yogiji Maharaj is Bhatia Hospital, Bombay. But they moved his body from there all the way to Gondal and it is a memorial place in Gondal. So Yogiji Maharaj loved Gondal, but his heart was and his soul was in Bombay, Kakaji, he also lived long in Bombay. He passed away in Bombay. And they were thinking about putting his shrine place in Powai. And that did not go. And Kakaji's shrine place became Mogri in Vidyanagar, all the way in Gujarat. So, those are the some kind of religious secrets, that we may have to open up sometimes, that why and how that happened, But on this memorial day of the 7th of March, we are remembering Kakaji and all his work and all these blessings that he gave us. So today we are very happy and enjoying here. અમેરિકામાં કાકાજી ના આવ્યા હોત 1973થી તો અત્યારે આપણે આ સત્સંગમાં ભેગા ના થઈ શક્યા હોત. આપણને આવો સરસ આનંદ કરવાનો મોકો ના મળત. કાકાજીને આપણે જેટલા બી ધન્યવાદ આપીએ એટલા ઓછા છે. આવા બધા અમારા સાધક ભાઈઓ અમેરિકામાં આવી નવી સાધના કરે છે, અમારા બહેનો, એ શક્ય ના બન્યું હોત. પણ કાકાજીના એ બીજ, એમની ભાવનાના સંકલ્પના બીજ આજે મોટા થઈને આપણને ઝાડ થયેલા અને સરસ ઘટાદાર વૃક્ષ થયેલા અને બગીચો થયેલા દેખાય છે. એટલે કાકાજીને આ દિવસે આપણે જેટલું બી કંઈક યાદ કરીએ અને એમને માટે જેટલી બી પ્રાર્થના કરીએ એટલી ઓછી છે. વોટ એવર વી પ્રે ટુ કાકાજી ઓન ધીસ ડે is less than enough, what he has prayed for us and did the sankalp for us and what we are here today. We are going to do about 24 hours dhun probably on the birthday of Swaminarayan Bhagwan on April 20, which is coming on Saturday. So we would do 24 hours or maybe a little bit more if we have all, people willing to do that. So we will start from Friday 19th, midnight, and we will continue, Saturday midnight, and then if people are able to go, we will go Sunday maybe, but that is the dhun that we would do in the memory of, Swaminarayan Bhagwan's birthday, In Powai, they did 72 hours dhun just recently on Kakaji's 7th March Memorial Day. In Delhi also, Guruji has done dhun also, And tomorrow, Vasibhai, Bharatbhai, Bapu and so many others, Das Uncle and everybody, they are going to go to Delhi to celebrate Guruji's birthday, which is coming. Today, Sahib Dada was also at Powai with Ashwin Bhai and others, and they did a nice 7th Bhajan Sandhya, and they also blessed all those who came there. And we talked to Sahib Dada, and Sahib Dada has said Jai Swaminarayan to everybody. Vasi Bhai, Bharat Bhai, Bapu also has said Jai Swaminarayan. Ashwin Bhai, everybody has said Jai Swaminarayan, So this is a very memorial day today. Also, on this day today, Sapan Bhai sponsored this event on his birthday, on coming birthday, which is in 3 more days, 10th of March. And Sapan Bhai has been engine abjo. Sapan Bhai was born in Waukegan, where we are now. And his sister also was born in Waukegan. And Sapan Bhai has been very close to our satsang, very much dedicated to our satsang, And I remember, when he was very young, maybe about 6 months old or whatever, and maybe 4 months, and it was summer time, So we were giving him ice cream by spoon. And moment he tasted the ice cream and he liked it, he started crying. And his mother was saying that, why is he crying? I said, well, there is a gap between from his mouth to the ice cream bowl, So that time, he does not like, So she kept feeding faster and then he stopped crying, But Sapan Bhai and Sima Ben both, they are very special, people in our satsang. And here also, coming to Chicago area, from Arkansas and all that, is his strong, wish and desire to be in Chicago area and with Rachna Ben and her family and, Sapan Bhai and everybody, you are all enjoying here, So this is very good, and we are very happy, Shrikant Bhai was difficult to convince to move here, but he is now happy here. He was having his business in Ohio, right? Yeah. So finally he moved from there also. So on your birthday, Sapan Bhai, we all pray and wish your good health and business prosperity and also helping all these people, for good cause and thinking ahead of, all our activities. That's very nice of you. So on your birthday, we are all going to sing happy birthday, right? Again. Sajanand Swami Maharajani Jai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sapan Bhai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sapan Bhai. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल हमारे साथ सदा साक्षात, यही है मेरी आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Sapan Bhai, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sapan Bhai, happy birthday to you. Sajanand Swami Maharajani Jai. I was watching all those video clips, beta. There was one video clip where your Dada was sitting and Kakaji was sitting and I was sitting at the airport. So if you can email me that maybe, I would like to have that. Okay. So on this day today, આજે આપણો વિરાજ નહીં આવ્યો નહીં બેટા? Somehow he didn't make it. Right, Viraj, he sings nice bhajans also, you know, and he has been doing nice seva also, so we thought we would maybe have his bhajan also. So on this day, on Sapan Bhai's birthday today, maybe couple of devotees can say something. And maybe Rachna Ben, you would maybe want to say something? Yeah? We can give the mic.
Sajanand Swami